Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Add Facebook Leads to Google Sheets for Lifestyle Products. So I am running a lifestyle product business, and to promote my business I am running Facebook lead ads, and I wish that as soon as a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that lead should be added to my Google Sheets too. For this, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So in Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger and action. For trigger, we are going to use Facebook lead ads, and for action, we are using Google Sheets. So if you want to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your lifestyle products. So I'm running a lifestyle product business named GoMini, and to promote my products, I'm running lead ads, and I wish that as soon as I receive a new lead, automatically the details of that lead should be added to my Google Sheets too. For this, we are going to create an integration between Google Sheets and Facebook. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So over here is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can open this by searching pabbly.com/connect in your browser. As soon as you will open this, you will get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So now if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we want to connect two applications, that is Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. So now we are going to click on access now. And yes, you can see that we have successfully opened our dashboard, and to start with the automation, we are going to click on this button right over here which says create workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets automation. And I want to name my workflow as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your lifestyle products. After entering the name and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on create. And yes, you can see that it has opened the most important window of our automation, our workflow window. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this, you can understand that it triggers the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the command of our trigger. So now we are going to select our trigger application as Facebook lead ads. So we'll search for Facebook lead ads, and over here you can see Facebook lead ads. We'll select this, and now it is asking me for the trigger event. So I want the trigger event to be new lead instant because I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted, Pabbly should trigger the workflow. So I'll select a new lead instant, and then we are going to click on connect. And now it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook lead ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection. But I'm going to click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. I'll select my account and click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the page and the lead gen form. So for page, we are going to use GoMini. So I'll search for GoMini right over here. We'll select GoMini. And now it is asking me the lead gen form. So for the lead gen form, I am selecting lead ads form because I want only the leads of this particular form should be captured by Pabbly's workflow. And if you want to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms or any another desired form. So after selecting my desired form, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And now it is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means that Pabbly is waiting to capture a response. So we are going to generate a response for Pabbly. We'll open a new tab and then search for Meta for developers. We'll open Meta for developers. And over here you can see that we have opened the landing page of Meta for developers. Now we are going on more and then tools. And then we are going to select lead ads RTO debug tool. And now it is opening our lead ads testing tool. So we are going to select our page and form. So as you know, the name of our page is GoMini. And the name of our form is lead ads form. And then we are going to click on preview form. And now it is opening the form I have created and asking me for some details. So I'm going to fill in the dummy details. And yes, you can see that I have filled in the dummy details, and now I'm going to click on next and then submit. And now it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that our lead has been sent to our workflow. So we'll open our workflow and check that if Pabbly has captured the lead or not. And yes, you can see Pabbly has captured our lead. Here's the dummy name, the dummy email, and the dummy phone number. This means that our trigger step is successful, and now we are going to move on to our action step. For our action application, we are going to select Google Sheets. We'll search for Google Sheets and select. And then it is asking me the action event. So for the action event, I want to add a new row. So I'll search for add new row. We are going to select this, and then we are going to click on connect. And again, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Google Sheets account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But now I'm going to click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. So now after selecting my Gmail account, I'm going to click on allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for. You can also click on allow because Pabbly is secure. And now you can see that we have successfully connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the spreadsheet name and the sheet name. We are going to open our spreadsheet. And over here you can see the name of our spreadsheet is Facebook Leads. And the name of our sheet is Lifestyle Products. So we are going to select Facebook Leads over here and Lifestyle Products as our sheet name. And now it is asking me the name, email, and phone number. So we are going to map all these details. Mapping means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. So I'll first map the name, email, and then phone number. So I'll map the name, then the email, and then the phone number. So as you can see that I have mapped all these details, this means that all these details have now become dynamic. And all these details will automatically change with the new lead. So now we are going to click on save and send test request. And yes, you can see that we have received a positive response that our leads has been added to our Google Sheets. So we'll open our Google Sheets and check that if the lead has been added or not. And yes, you can see here's the dummy name, the dummy email, and the dummy phone number. So our details have been added to the Google Sheets. This means that our automation is successful. So we'll just test it once again, and I'll give you a real-time example this time. We are going to open lead ads testing tool, delete the previous lead, and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the previous lead and refresh the page. Otherwise, you'll not be able to create a new lead or preview the form. And now again, we are going to select our page as Go Mini. And then we are going to select our form as lead ads form. And again, we are going to click on preview form. And again, you can see that it is asking me for the details. So I'll fill the dummy details again. I'll enter the full name as test user. The email as test@pabblytudes.com. And the phone number as this. And now we are going to click on next and then submit. And again, it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent our leads to our workflow. Pabbly then forwarded the lead to our Google Sheets. So we'll directly open our Google Sheets and check that if the details of our lead has been added to our Google Sheets or not. This time we are not going back to our workflow and clicking on save and send test request. We'll directly open our Google Sheets. And yes, you can see the dummy name, the dummy email, and the dummy phone number as test user, test@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number has been added to our Google Sheets too. This means that our automation and our workflow are successful. And now we are going to summarize it once. For our trigger application, we selected Facebook lead ads. For our trigger event, we selected new lead instant. We connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow, and then we selected the page and the lead gen form. After that, we clicked on save and send test request. Pabbly said waiting for a webhook response. So we generated a webhook response for Pabbly, and then we moved on to our action step. For our action application, we selected Google Sheets. For our action event, we selected add new row. We connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's workflow, and then we selected the spreadsheet, the sheet, we mapped the details like name, email and phone number. And over here you can see the 2 responses that we received during this video. So if you have any queries or questions related to the workflow or the video, you can directly comment on this video, and for your reference I'll just clone the workflow and share the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.